So I'm going to show you a fascinating way of how they do the electrical in Japan. So they have this little device that senses where the electrical box is, and it makes a very precise stamp. They have a jig, they line the jig up on the stamp, and then once that's done, they drill a hole, and they drill it precisely at the level they need to. It's got a spring mechanism inside there to control the depth of the drill so that the drill can't do any damage to the wiring or anything else. They now have located precisely where the box is. The plug pops out the other end. This is a little magnetic device that goes on every one of the electrical boxes, and they sheetrock over the top of it, and then this sensor, it's about $200, will detect exactly where the center of that box is, so they can make a stamp mark with this device and then begin the drilling process. Then revealing the electrical box exactly in the correct location, and then the magnetic plug that has been put in there is now revealed, and you just pull that out and it gives you the exact locations for the holes for mounting the finished wiring and electrical receptacle.